Welcome to fluttertutorial.net. In this tutorial, we are going to show how to embed Android emulator inside Android Studio. For that, we are going to create a new Flutter project. Type your project name here. We don't need these options. Then click on Finish. This is an empty Android Flutter app project. So we want to show emulator here inside a panel. For that, first go to the File menu, then click on Project Structure. Project is selected. Select your Android platform version. Then click on Modules. Add Android modules. Click on Apply, then OK. Then it will show the emulator panel. If we want to start emulator here, we need to configure another option from here, emulator settings. Click on Launch in a tool window, then OK. Immediately it will appear ABD Manager. Click on ABD Manager, then start your emulator. It will start inside this panel. So if we select the emulator and start this project, it will start the app inside this emulator. Let's remove the zoom panel. Let's start the project. It will take some time. Here it is, working as expected. Thank you for watching.